Tuesday, August 19th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning, 71.9. We have a low tide coming up at 10:45. Waves are looking 5 to 7 foot this morning. It's Hurricane Erin, day 2. Red flags continue, hurricane swell continues. No flies to beach today. And east-northeast wind again. Yeah, the surf is really drifty. It's kind of just junk out there. But it looks like there may be a cleanup Saturday morning. With, the wind forecast may change, but as of right now, it's going to be offshore on Saturday morning. Anyways, that's the update. Hope you guys have a great Tuesday.